Her hair is not combed. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the vlog. Today's a very special day. You know why it's special, Tara?
Why?
Because I get to pick up my drone today. Woohoo! I'm excited.
So hard for that.
I worked really hard for that drone, and today is the day
That's awesome.
I get to pick up my toy.
That is so amazing.
Yeah.
You busted ass for that drone.
I know.
And you deserve every last bit of it.
I know. It's going to be a fun summer. I'm going to spend so much time flying with it. And wait, let me get this off. Yeah, I'm going to spend so much time. I got to get my practice on because we are going to Costa Rica in June.
Oh my God, you gotta get ready.
I know. That's why I'm picking it up earlier than normal. I'm like, because my friend came with her drone over the weekend.
That was awesome.
And I was like, man, I need some practice, especially if I'm going to get some cool shots in Costa Rica.
Especially if you're going to be going off the cliffs.
Yeah, so I'm going to like take it to the field, do a little practice, walk through, and yeah. Anyway, so we're here in at Saldair.
Coming live.
Coming live. What time is it, Tara?
It is 5 or 6.
Yeah, so it's cracking.
Yeah.
It's still crack of dawn. Like everybody's still asleep, but
us.
Yeah,
because we are ready to go.
Yeah, we do this on the reg, on the day to day.
That's right.
All right. Oh, so this episode is basically talking about how to choose the right mentor as a personal trainer.
Oh, yes.
So my advice.
Interview a lot.
Yes, my advice, you have to treat your mentor as like an employee for a job. Like you want to be sure that they are qualified to lead you, basically. Just make sure that your mentor has the results that you are seeking, because you're going to be spending a lot of time with this mentor and getting a lot of information, and some of that information might lead you down the wrong path. So make sure that that mentor has the right results that you are seeking. You have any tips?
Oh, as I stretch, yes. Also, make sure that you can read their testimonials. And sometimes I secretly Facebook message some of the people that they've worked with, and to find out how great they are, and check out their businesses to see if their businesses have skyrocketed since he's worked or she has worked with them.
Yeah, like that is that major key. All right, because you're going to go through a ton of mentors as you go through this journey and in this career. You're going to go through a lot of mentors, so just pick them like carefully. Oh,
and don't be afraid to ask for a mentor, because none of us can do this alone. We are a community, we're here to serve others, and we can only do this with each other. So don't be afraid to ask for help.
Bingo. And if you want more help, the link in the description below, Fit Pro Development League, where we have a field of coaches where you can just come hang out, ask a ton of questions and get a ton of answers. All right, that is like the #1 resource at your disposal right now. Fit Pro Development League Facebook group is free to join. Just answer a few questions. Questions is, how can we best serve you as a community? And yeah, feel free, engage. Anyway, we're about to get on with a couple of clients this morning, and I'll check back in once I'm headed out to pick up that drone. All right, see you guys in a bit. All right, so my son has no regard for my personal space. Like, my office is just a mess right now. Anyways, good things. I picked up the DJI MAVIC AIR combo, and you guys know every season I strive as a goal to make some major upgrades to this channel and deliver some awesome content, awesome value. This was more selfish sort of a purchase, because I do want it so I can get me some awesome shots, establishing shots and whatnot. But then also I would use this for client work. Predominantly it is a business expense. This channel is a business, So yeah, if you like the content, you like the visual vibes, give your boy a like, a sub, a share, all of that. Anyway, I'm going to do a quick unboxing because I am hungry. I've been working all morning. Had an awesome interview with Garrett, by the way, that I will be dropping soon. We were talking a deep dive on what it takes to be a Barry's bootcamp instructor, also what it takes to be a great bootcamp instructor, and also all these other things pertaining to members attending classes, yada yada yada. Anyways, I'm not going to spoil it. Watch the interview, and yeah, let's get to the unboxing real quick. All right, so we have the DJI MAVIC AIR Fly More combo. I picked this up from the Apple store, and yeah, let's see what's inside. All right, so preface, this is not an unboxing or tutorial video, okay? And this is not an unboxing or tutorial channel. So if you are looking for that, I highly recommend that you just click off this video and go to another channel that goes more in depth. I just got this bad boy, and I just want to show the viewers of this channel what I got. Anywho, here we go. We got the case. All right, the DJI MAVIC AIR comes in this, and I've seen other videos where they say how small this is, but man, this joint is tiny. Like, yo. All right, I'm gonna do the cell phone comparison, like, cause that's what I saw a lot of. And look, this is my cell phone, and this is literally the size of the MAVIC AIR. Man, where's the camera? Okay, this is where the camera is at. All right, in there. I gotta remove that, but I'll do that another time. I'm just gonna do a quick little unboxing and then eat something because I'm hungry and I'm starting to get a headache. That's how hungry I am. All right, so here's the box. This again is the Fly More combo. So let's see what we got in there. We have the remote control. Okay, we got the remote control. We have the we have a black box, and we have, not sure what this is, but I think this is one of the chargers because I did get the Fly More combo. So here are the extended batteries for that bad boy. 2 batteries included. One, I believe, that's on the actual device, and then there's a there's the portable charger it comes with. So your boy gets to fly a lot. And then here is the power supply. All right, so let's see what's in this box. Okay, so in this box, it's the still some more things that I need to get up on. But it's the propellers and whatever this thing is. Don't quite know what that is yet, but we'll learn today. You know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful day today. It's not going to be so good tomorrow. So I'm going to eat and try to get me a test flight before I pick up my son from daycare, because I forgot where this went. See, I'm starting to forget where these things go. All right, here we go. Everything's going back. Anyways, yeah, so I am going to do a test flight after I eat. You know what I'm saying? This is a dope ass case, man. This packs everything, and I love the minimal of this thing, you know what I mean? Like, because I don't like carrying too much big gear like lenses and all that shit. I ain't with all that. You know what I'm saying? I just want to be able to fit all of these things in my North Face backpack, and I'm Gucci. Oh wait, my bad guys. There's this thing. So there's more guardrails, I guess, to help protect the yeah, there's so much. I'm gonna, you know what I mean? Anyway, I'm gonna go more in depth in another video because there's so much to cover. I ain't ready for that for this video. Anyways, yeah, let me go get something to eat. I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys for watching, man. It means a lot following me along this journey, the growth, the natural evolution of this channel. I've been grinding and hustling, man, and I'm here to support you because I know this road is so tough and it's so steep, man. I haven't even scratched the surface yet, but I'm in it for the long haul. I'm playing the long game, all right? Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, help this community channel grow, man. Peace.